Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact game build and any active patches because spawn rules change. Once done, set your clock to the recommended time window and fast travel close. You should move with stealth gear equipped so you can approach without triggering wide aggro. Make sure to mark the general zone on your map and clear nearby mobs to avoid interruptions. These first steps put you in position quickly and prevent wasted searches, which saves time overall. You now perform systematic sweeps using detection abilities or reveal items. This increases encounter probability because many elite spawns hide until sensed. Move in an overlapping grid pattern so no ground is missed, and vary altitude if the world has vertical layers. Pay attention to audio cues and small particle flickers. These often signal proximity. If you get no contact after several runs, change instance or reset the zone to refresh spawn pools and improve your odds. You close by engaging only when your crowd control and burst rotation are ready, because quick execution prevents the target from escaping or wiping your group. After the kill, approach loot mechanics deliberately. Rare items sometimes need a special interact. If the captain never appears, troubleshoot by resetting the instance, relogging to clear cache, or checking known respawn timers. These steps often resolve invisible spawn bugs. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.